Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Desires. This is Prerna and today I'm here for a new video, and today I'm so very excited to share a little haul with you guys, and it is my first haul to share with you guys. So it is a tiny mini haul, but I'm so very excited to share it with you. So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you one thing. This is the mix of all the products. This is not certainly beauty products, certainly grooming product, not at all. This is the mix of all the products that I have just purchased. So let's get started. First of all, I want to show you the first product is this Veet. Yes, Veet Easy Grip Ready to Use Wax Strips Full Body Waxing Kit. This is for sensitive skin. So I have sensitive skin, so I just picked it up. Actually, I have been using Veet hair removal cream, so I have been using that cream, and I am in the habit of using cream only. So I just yeah, rather than waxing in the salon or etc. If you are going in a salon, that there is not a problem, but if you are doing your waxing at home though, then I will be sticking to cream only. So these days I'm watching ad in the TV channels that Veet full body waxing kit is displaying on the TV channels. Most of you guys see that, so I just grabbed it. I just felt like trying it at home. How will you use waxing at home? So I just took it up, and it cost me around 170 bucks. Yes, it is for 170 bucks, as you can see. Yes, so it has 20 wax strips. So I will be reviewing this product very soon. Whenever I will use it, I will be reviewing this product for sure. So this was my first product. Second product is, as I told you, Veet hair removal cream. This has to be in my list, so I cannot escape this. In spite of purchasing this product, I also purchased this product because I'm in the habit of this, so this has to be in my list. So this cost me 110 rupees. So it was the second product I have purchased. So yes, then third product I have purchased is this Nivea Whitening Smooth Skin Roller. This is even toned and smoother underarms. This is for smoother underarms, and it just commits to for fairer underarms, and its smell is just so nice. I just want to tell you how good is. Yes, the smell is very good, the fragrance is very good, and the texture you can see it has a roller on the top. You can directly apply it onto your underarms, and after the bath or as you uses it. It has vitamin C and avocado extracts also. So it cost me around how much, I don't know. Actually its shelf life is 2017, so I liked it, so I just picked it up. Where the rate is written, I don't know. So yes, it is for 175 rupees. I know it is much expensive than the spray ones, but let's try it for the whitening underarms. So I just purchased it. I will be reviewing this product if you want to see the review of this product also. So this was my third product. Then the fourth product is this Tresemme Salon Silk Moisture for dry and rough hair. So this is the texture of my hair. As you can see, these are very much dry these days because monsoons are here in Mumbai, so the hair tend to be rough and dry. So, and these are tend to hair fall fall on the ground. You can see hair. So this is so much fuzzy about it. So I just purchased this Tresemme used by professionals. I have been using Tresemme product. I like Tresemme products. Just before using this, I have also been using Tresemme product, that is also the Salon Silk Moisture, but the texture and the color was different. So if you want review of this product also, you can tell me. I will be reviewing this product, and this is for 155 rupees for 200 ml. This is quite good quantity, 200 ml, and for 155 rupees this is a good product. So yes, this was fourth product. And then fifth product, I have purchased this Dabur Gulabari Rose Glow Face Cleanser. As all the girls, you know that this is the product. This is it should be, it is the must in your ward. It is the must in your beauty vanity box or something. So yes, I just purchased it. I just like the pump tube over it. You can just spin it. Okay, it is still closed. I have to, you know, I have to do a pointer on it so that I can apply it. So yes, it is a Gulabari Rose Face Glow Cleanser. As you all can read it, it's written in here that use it in the daytime or whatever you want to, with the cotton balls onto your face, and then after, whenever you will be waking up in the morning, your face will be glowing up like that. So let's see, will it be working on my face or not. So yes, it was my another product. And then the next product is a Spins Perfume Duo Body Spray. I have recently purchased it, but I just did not want to purchase the body duo because I have so many body duos, but I just love this color, so I just couldn't resist myself to purchase it. That's why I just purchased it. And the fragrance of this Spins, very strong fragrance, Spins. But I just like the color, so I just picked it up. Yes, it was another product. And then next product is this Vaseline Intensive Care Aloe. This is, I think, yes, this is the body lotion. And I just purchased it for my feet. My feet always, I feel my feet so rough in this summer or monsoon season, so I just purchased it for my feet only. Otherwise on my body I just use the Nivea UV, I don't know what do we say, I will link it below in the bottom part, and so you can check it. So I use that Nivea product onto my body, but otherwise I have purchased this product for my feet only. So yes, it was another product. And then I just grabbed this Vega Basic Collection hairbrush. This is the nice hairbrush I have been looking for so far, because whenever I use the paddle brush, my hair tends to fall down. So I just want to stick on this small paddle brush. I have a big paddle brush that is very much wide, but my hair does not grab that. So I just you know, try this one also. It is quite easy to comb your hair, brush your hair and using this, and see, yeah, right, not any hair on this brush, hopefully. Yes, thank you, home. I love you. So yes, it is another product. So yes, what's the price of it? It is for 145 rupees. I like this product also. And this, I just bought this detangler comb. This is from Babila brand. You can see the Babila brand is very much good as regarding to combs and all the plastics and all. So this is the detangler brush I have just purchased. So yes, it was another product. And I want to show you one more product. It is very much interesting thing I found in the market. You can see these tiny mini these things. These are actually shower caps. Let me show you. This is the blue color shower cap. So yes, this is the shower cap. I found it very cute, so I just purchased it. I don't know I will use it or not, but I have purchased it. Whenever I will be putting henna or something else, I will use it. And another color, pink or yellow, you can see. Yes, so this was my yes, it was some tiny mini haul. So all the products are mixed up in it. I hope you just enjoyed this video. So if you like my videos, please rate, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to show some love. And till then, goodbye, stay beautiful, bye.